everybody, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you have already subscribed, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a quick and easy, super delicious teriyaki salmon rice bowl. Please keep on watching.
Cooking made easy.
If you are new here, my name is Claude Mott and I am the owner and founder of Le Bon Goût Seasoning. Le Bon Goût Seasoning is an e-commerce website that I created when I was in grad school where we sell organic green seasoning, organic meat seasoning. Our meat seasoning comes in 3 flavors. We have a regular, a mild, a spicy. We have organic barbecue marinade, organic jerk marinade, organic hot pepper sauce, and so much more. Around the holidays, we also sell cremas and we also sell a seasoning gift basket. If there is someone that you are taking off during the holiday, the seasoning gift basket is a great and unique gift to give to someone and show your appreciation. I'll make sure to have the link in the description below and I'll make sure to have the link down here as well. And guys, in this channel, I not only post quick and easy recipe, I also post a lot of behind the scene video that show you guys how I run my business. I share a lot of small business tips and I also do a lot of packaging video. If you're interested in small business video, you like seeing behind the scene of how entrepreneurs package and ship their orders to their customers, please consider subscribing to help support my channel and help me grow. And also, all the recipe that I make in this channel, I make them using the organic seasoning from our store. If you would like to try our product, I'll make sure to have the link in the description below. Alright, let's jump right in with our recipe. So guys, for our salmon, I already cut and cleaned them. I already cut them into bite size. And to season our salmon, we are going to use the organic meat seasoning. I am using the mild meat seasoning for this recipe. Even though the name is organic meat seasoning, this meat seasoning is also safe for people who are vegetarian and vegan. It is low in sodium, all organic, no preservative, made with organic sour orange, organic lime juice, and organic pure unprocessed virgin oil. If you want to try this meat seasoning, since I made a lot of recipe using this meat seasoning, I'll make sure to have it below. And also we are going to use some teriyaki sauce. I made a chicken teriyaki recipe in this channel where I share in details how to make your own teriyaki sauce. If you want to learn how to make your own teriyaki sauce, because I'm not gonna go into details in this video, please make sure to watch my chicken teriyaki recipe to learn how to make your own teriyaki sauce. And we are going to serve our salmon teriyaki rice bowl with some fresh avocado and also with some fresh cucumbers. If you want, you can also make a cucumber salad because I have a quinoa rice bowl recipe where I'll show you guys how to make a quick and easy avocado and cucumber salad. If you want to try that, please make sure go ahead and watch this recipe to learn how to make yours. Alright, now for starters, how this recipe is going to go is I'm going to first season the salmon with the meat seasoning, and after that I'm going to fry it over the stove until it gets crispy and lightly brown. And after that, I'm going to remove the salmon from the stove and then drizzle some teriyaki sauce and let it simmer for a couple minutes and then add back the salmon. And that's it for this recipe, guys. Before I started this recipe, I already went ahead and cooked the rice. I know I have shown in this channel how to make the rice. When you are making your rice, make sure you follow the instruction from the bag or the box that you are using. But the main instruction to have the perfect rice is 1 pot of rice, 2 pot of water. Meaning, if you are cooking 1 cup of rice, make sure you use 2 cups of water. And I already went ahead and cooked the rice before I started this recipe. Alright, let's jump right in. Okay, now we are going to start by seasoning our salmon. Making sure that all the seasoning gets in there. And I'm not gonna be using any other type of seasoning because I'm gonna be using the teriyaki sauce, and the teriyaki sauce also have soy sauce. I'm not a heavy salt user, so the seasoning that I add in there is enough. And when you are making this recipe, guys, make sure you adjust it based on the amount that you are cooking. And this is what our salmon looks like. And now we are going to let it sit for 15 minutes so that it can fully marinate before we take it over the stove and fry it on medium heat until it gets golden crispy. Alright, 15 minutes. Let's let it marinate. Now that the pot is hot, I'm just going to add some oil because we are going to fry the salmon until it gets golden crispy. It's been 15 minutes since our salmon has been fully seasoned. So now we are going to cook it by batch because I don't want to overcrowd the pan. While our salmon is cooking, guys, I'm just going to flip them sides so that each side can be fully cooked and get crispy. So we're just going to continue flipping them. Our first batch is almost ready. I'm just letting the remaining get golden brown like it is around here. Salmon is ready. Now I'm going to remove them from the hot oil. And this is the consistency that you want to have. Okay guys, the remaining of the salmon is cooking and this is the first batch. I hope you can see, I hope the color from the camera doesn't change from what I am seeing, but this is what it looks like. Okay guys, so now our salmon is ready. So now we are going to use the same oil to saute some veggies, and then we are going to add the salmon back in, and then add our teriyaki sauce, and our recipe will be done. Now we are going to saute some vegetables. And the veggies are optional, you don't have to add them. I had extra from a previous recipe and decided to add them in there. We are going to let the veggies get tender. Now that our vegetable is tender to a consistency that I like, I'm going to add the salmon back in. And now I'm going to add the teriyaki sauce. We are going to let this simmer for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, guys, our salmon teriyaki is pretty much done. Now we can get ready for plating. Alright, now we can start serving. And this is the final recipe, guys. Salmon teriyaki rice bowl. I serve mine with some fresh cucumber and some avocado. Very easy recipe to follow. I hope you guys like this recipe. And if you guys make this recipe, let me know what you will add. Let me know what you will do differently. Okay guys, thank you so much for staying with me until the end of this video. I hope you remember to subscribe if you have not subscribed. And as always guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.
Cooking made easy.